Hello everyone, my name is Ikram Hussain and I'm from Bangladesh, and here right now I'm studying in China. I already completed my Bachelor of Pharmacy. It was in 2019 and my university was Chongqing University of Technology. And after completing my bachelor, I came here in Chongqing Medical University, my current university, and here I am doing my masters in biomedical engineering. And as you all of know that to get a good scholarship like full funded scholarship. I'm also here in a full funded scholarship. So you must have a good research paper. If you have this, then you have a very good chance to get the opportunity in any university, which is very important. You have to be a good papers. So for a good papers, you need to know some basic things about how to do research, how to conduct research, and there is so many things related to this. Unfortunately, so many students, though they have their ability, but unfortunately because they don't know how to do that, and most of them are failed. And as I check the Research Learning Center YouTube channel, if you follow their videos, you will be get some idea about how to do things, and it will help you to get the opportunity to publish a papers and to get higher study. And also you can avail the full funded scholarship in any countries if you applied. So what you need to know how to do this, and for this YouTube channel can help you, because I personally check so many videos they have, how to do conduct research and how so many things, I mean A to Z. So you can follow this YouTube channel and you can have an idea about how to do this, and it will be very helpful for your future research works and future good study, and to get some good scholarship opportunity. Thank you so much.